Welcome to my channel. Today I will make iconic Bengali fish recipe called Shorshe Ilish or mustard Hilsa. It is served in the main course along with hot steamed rice. We Bengalis simply love Hilsa. It doesn't matter how we make it. We love to commemorate any special occasion, festival and event with Hilsa. We call it the king of all fishes. Shorshe Ilish is one of the most popular recipes of Hilsa. Please watch till the end as I share many recommendations, explanations, alternatives and cutting of the fish. Subscribe to my channel to get more tasty recipes. Please make this recipe at home. Share this recipe with your friends and family members. Do not forget to click the bell icon so that you get notification when I post a new video. You can also like, share and comment below. I reply to all. I have soaked 2 types of mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, in between 1/4 to 1/8 of a cup. To be on the safe side, use 1/4 of a cup. And yellow mustard seeds in between 1/4 to 1/8 of a cup. To be on the safe side, use 1/4 of a cup in water, enough to allow the seeds to swell for 5 hours. Minimum soaking time is 30 minutes. I like a lot of mustard curry. If you like less, then please use less of mustard seeds. As you can see, the mustards have swelled. We can also use mustard powder. However, mustard paste gives better taste. Drain the water. As you can see, I have already transferred them to the chutney jar of the mixer and grinder. Add salt, half teaspoon. Green chilies, 3. And water, 1/3 cup. Grind it to a fine paste. Remember, salt and chili must be added while grinding the mustards, otherwise it will taste bitter. 2 types of mustard gives a nice taste to the fish. We can use any one type as well. If I have to choose between 2 mustards, then I choose black mustard seeds. It gives a very strong mustard taste to the curry. As you can see, the mustard has become completely paste. This should be the texture. If the mustard is not a paste, then add some water and grind for longer time. Sometimes people don't like the skin of black mustard. Then we can mix the paste with some water and strain it. The skin will be mostly gone. Transfer the paste to a bowl. Heat mustard oil 8 tablespoons in a pan. Make sure the oil fumes. The oil is now hot. Add bay leaf 1. Dry red chili 1, split in the middle. Nigella seeds or kalo jeera 1 teaspoon. And cumin 1 teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Now add chopped onion 1 cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 minutes. Now add ginger paste 1½ tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 minutes. Add turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 2 minutes. Add mustard paste 1 cup. I love a lot of mustard curry, however, you can use less or all of the mustard paste. Saute in medium to high heat for 2 minutes. Add water 2 cups and salt 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Cook the masala in high heat for 5 minutes. As you can see, the oil is floating on top of the curry. This means the masala is cooked. Now add the hilsa, 8 pieces of the body, including the tail, one by one into the mustard curry. Generally, head is not used for this curry. Head of hilsa will be used for some other recipe. Distribute the fish throughout the curry. Be careful as the fish is very delicate. The curry should have enough water to submerge the fish completely, otherwise the fish will be raw. If required, add more water to the curry. Gently push the fish into the curry. If you want, you can shallow fry the fish with some turmeric powder and salt, and then add them to the mustard curry. However, do not make it golden brown, otherwise it will make the hilsa hard. Hilsa should be soft. Now add raw mustard oil 4 tablespoons, optional, in the curry. Mix well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook in medium to high heat for 10 minutes total time. After 5 minutes, shake the utensil so that the curry does not get burnt at the bottom. Do not touch the fish, they have become softer now and may break. After 10 minutes, open the lid, shake the utensil again. Taste it to check how spicy or hot the curry is. If you remember, we had added chili while making the mustard paste. Add green chilies, 6, slit in the middle. And salt, half teaspoon. Shake the utensil again to mix the ingredients. Then switch off the gas, cover with a lid and keep aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. See how beautiful it looks. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves about 4 to 8 people. Please make it at home and let me know how it was. I would love to know about it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.